Hi beauties, welcome to our channel. This is Sharon from Astound Beauty. Today I'm going to introduce you our newly released glitter polygel set. It comes with a beautiful laser effect travel bag. Let's see what's inside. It comes with 6 polygel tubes, top coat and base coat, dual form, nail file, polygel brush, and an instruction manual. Let's test out the colors. Clear, Galaxy, Dazzle, Pink Diamond, oh I love it, Purple Crystal, and Comet. You see, these sets are created with Dazzle and Purple Crystal. The color is so pretty and the glitter is so shiny. And these sets are created with Comet, Galaxy, and Clear. And now I'm gonna show you how I make it. I'm gonna prep my nail first. Prepping is one of the most important things that you have to do to make sure that your nails last as long as possible. I'm going to starting off by gently pushing the cuticle off by cuticle pusher. Then I'm gonna use my cuticle nipper to nip the cuticle off. Now use my hand file to remove the shine and roughen up the nail bed. I'm using rubbing alcohol to remove any dust from my nail bed. Then apply some bond primer. This step will remove any oil from your nail bed and it can make sure that your nails last as long as possible. Now apply gel base coat. Then cure under the LED lamp for 1 minute. After curing, wipe off the sticky layer of your base coat with rubbing alcohol. Today, I'm still going to use dual forms because it's really easy and fast. I want to create a French tip style on my thumb. For the tip area, I'm going to use Galaxy. Squeeze some polygel on your dual form. Then dip your polygel brush into the slip solution. Gently tap the polygel in place. These glitter polygels are a little bit more sticky than the normal ones, so always tap the gel instead of brush it. I'm gonna cure this part first to keep the polygel in place. At the same time, I'm gonna work on the next dual form, the index finger. I'm gonna use Comet on my index finger. Gently press the dual forms on your nail. Use the brush to clean the side of the nails and also flat off the underside. Then cure for 1 minute. Now let's continue work on the thumbnail. I'm gonna use Comet around my nail bed area. Since this area is pretty small, so you don't need to squeeze too much polygel. Gently press the dual form on your nail and then cure for 1 minute. Okay, let's move on to the middle finger. On the middle finger, I want to create a side French tip. So I just squeeze a little bit Galaxy color and gently pat them in place on one side of the nail. Make sure you can see a straight line from the other side of the dual form. Then cure for 30 seconds. On ring finger, I want to do encapsulate maple leaves nail. So just apply a little bit clear PolyGel on the do form. Use your brush to tap it to cover the entire do form. Now I got some maple leaves nail decoration glitter flakes. I will use some blue color and some holographic maple leaves. Use your brush to put the maple leaves on your do form and stick them on the PolyGel. Now squeeze more clear PolyGel to encapsulate the maple leaves from the inner side. Put the do form on the ring finger and use the brush to clean any excess PolyGel. Then cure under LED lamp for 1 minute. On my pinky, I'm gonna use the Galaxy only. This is how they look after curing. Gently pinch the side of the do forms and take them off. Now use my tip cutter to cut my nails to the length that I want. Use the hand file to perfect the shape. I just love the result. They're so pretty. Now apply Astound Beauty top coat. Look good. And still I'm gonna add some rhinestone to make the nails look more shiny. Clean any brush. Then cure under LED lamp for 1 minute. Apply another layer of top coat to seal the rhinestone. Then cure for another minute and you're good to go. Apply some cuticle oil and give a gently massage. Do you like the results? I'll put all the shopping link below. Please check it out. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like the design or our product, please click the like button. Remember to subscribe so you won't miss our future videos. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.